To get started on Arcware Cloud LT, you'll first need to register as a new user. Simply go to platform.arcware.cloud, click Create Account, and then enter a valid email address and password, along with a few personal details regarding your company and job title. Please be aware before submitting your details here that changing or updating your profile information is not possible during our early access phase. However, it will be made available to do so within future updates. So I will skip over the part here where I enter my personal information, but the final step of signing up will be to verify your email address. Once you've verified your email address, you can now sign into Arcware Cloud LT to get access to its resources. Alternatively, if you've already requested a Cloud LT account via the contact form in our early access phase, you'll be prompted to change your password the first time you sign in here with that account. So that concludes the sign up process. Please proceed to the next video for instructions on selecting your subscription plan and creating your tenant.